Welcome to The Wrap. I'm Jenny Horn, here to take you through today's market action. Let's recap what happened in Thursday's session. The S&P 500 fell about 0.3%, and the Nasdaq 100 was down about 0.5%. The Dow and Russell 2000 closed the day relatively unchanged. Now taking a look at the leading and lagging sectors on the day. 8 of the 11 S&P 500 sectors closed lower, with losses led by energy, which fell 1.6%, and consumer discretionaries near 1% loss. Healthcare, financials, and industrials all closed in the green. Let's now look at some stocks on the move. Apple shares dipped after being downgraded at Piper Sandler to neutral from overweight. The analyst cited valuation concerns and broader handset weakness in the first half of the new year. This was Apple's second major downgrade this week, the first coming from Barclays, when the analyst also mentioned lackluster iPhone sales. Apple's now down about 5.5% this week. Mobileye plummeted over 24% after issuing preliminary guidance below expectations. The company cited excess inventory, saying it expects first quarter revenue to fall about 50%. For its full year revenue, Mobileye provided an updated range between about 1.8 and 2 billion, which at the midpoint would reflect a 9% drop year over year. Today's selling marked the company's worst day since spinning off from Intel back in late 2022. And Walgreens fell over 5% after reporting another quarterly loss and cutting its dividend by nearly half. Sales, however, climbed 10% and beat expectations, while adjusted earnings per share also exceeded forecasts. The company said comparable retail sales fell about 5% as a result of weaker flu and respiratory season. Let's now look at what to watch for tomorrow. On the economic data front, December non-farm payrolls and ISM services will be released in the morning. Then for earnings, we'll hear from Constellation Brands pre-market. That'll do it for The Wrap. I'm Jenny Horn. Remember to tune in 24/7 to schwabnetwork.com.